Hello everybody who likes physics and enjoy learning physics. I would like to quickly show you this interesting software. It's called Vectorworks 2011 education version. Right, this is used by architects and structural engineers and mechanical engineers and electrical engineers and all designers from different backgrounds. Quickly now let's talk about some elements in that you study in physics. If you're good at physics, you'll be able to use some of these tools quite well. So now here we have, as you can see, I just want to look for push and pull. So this is about forces. You know, in physics we have push and pull forces here. And then now we want to talk about some machine components. Here we have some spur gear, 3D, bevel gears, and pulley 3D and roller chain. So there's lots of physics here, and ball bearing, which is to do with friction. Okay, now if you're good at friction, you will understand how ball bearing works and why they exist and why you use them. And also now about bolt and nut, right, in tool sets. Now for bolt and nut, as you can see, we use turning forces. And for straight truss and curved truss, which is to do with bending moments and mechanics. And I want to talk about also insulation. As you know, insulation is used. Let's look for bad insulation. Yes, here is bad insulation. I'll just show you. This is relating to conserving energy. So if you understand insulation and the role of insulation and why you need insulation and what does it do and what's the purpose behind using insulation, so you'll be able to do that if you're good at physics and understanding energy and conserving energy and convection and conduction and radiation. So how energy moves through conduction and radiation and convection. Also I want to move to HVAC, damper, diffuser, elbow duct and flex duct. This is to do really with Bernoulli's equation, the flow. You know, it's thermodynamics. When you study thermodynamics in physics, you will be able to understand how to size these HVAC, damper and diffuser, and also the elbow duct and piping run and HVAC splitter. So those people, and here the transition, HVAC transition, those people who are good at physics will be able to use these tools properly if they are mechanical engineers or service engineers or architects. So that's why it's very important to study the subject physics as to help you in understanding so many things in the engineering world and construction world. And whenever you design an airplane or build a car or design a car or design a house or build a house, and it's electrical wiring and mechanical bits and pieces, as you can see here, vertical duct, HVAC vertical duct. And we'll show you more about practical physics, and then we discuss theoretical physics in the future. And thank you for listening and have a nice day.